Are you excited?
I'm scared. Although not as scared as when I flew this from Boulder while it was with the
I-290 versus Kitfox.
I think the 290 will do it.
Look at this setup you got here. I think you're in the wrong industry. I think you should be in the dog industry.
Yeah. Let's see.
Right there.
Can I pull up down there?
Oh yeah. Can you pull up right be
I'll just park
right on
front of it.
Yeah, just pull right up in the front.
So these are all community, like
yes.
no wall.
No walls. So your buddy sees what you got. So it makes me appreciate the T-hanger even more.
And like tools.
We can do it overnight.
90.
So it's like 10%.
Texted Reed earlier today. He said he's changed out master cylinder on one of his brakes.
On the Mooney? I don't have one to see his bird.
And then we'll go fly.
We should just we should tell him to let's go pull it out this week. This whole week looks really nice.
Okay. Is this 20?
Okay.
That's twice. That is literally twice I just smacked my noggin.
I think it's the oil. I'll wait for that. I should have brought my bigger compressor.
Nice. So what are you doing here? Compressor check.
So what made you choose the brand? Lost. Jesus Christ. Well, and it's one of the ones that's really well ranked for like really high performance takeoff and stuff. Yeah.
Is it break at the lead?
I don't know.
Here's to never finding out.
Right?
Yeah, I don't wonder what the story. This one never seems to get flown. And there's a sailboat. Is that a diesel wagon? What the heck? There's a diesel wagon back there. Is it a bubble canopy for this thing though? Bubble can. Pretty cool. I think they'll.
Oh, wood?
Yeah. Good job. You want that? Thanks. I figured document his whole Kitfox journey. From Fokker to Kitfox. Although that footage came out insane.
I know, you gotta send it to me.
Yeah, well, it's like 23 gigs of stuff, so I gotta just put
Oh,
it,
yeah.
give it to you in a memory card because WeTransfer will freak out.
That will be a bit of a pain.
I'm Nate, by the way.
Aaron,
Aaron, nice to meet you, man.
I think I met you when we were moving the plane out.
Oh, yeah, that's
We were
right.
that day, right?
Okay, yes. I was there at the very end of it.
Yeah. Yeah, it was just briefly.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Yeah, the guy who built it did a really good job.
I mean, the color layout.
Yeah. And then I've slowly been letting it fall apart.
I wouldn't say that. Just sat dormant.
It's just like it's real dirty.
You had other life endeavors. At least it was inside.
Well, it broke, and then instead of just buying the motor, I bought another airplane.
Well, I mean, that works
And then I
too.
broke that one, so then I bought the motor.
Did you buy a third airplane after that? Well, actually, technically you did. Yeah, you did.
And then I
That's
bought
right.
a fourth airplane. And now finally I almost have one that can fly. Almost.
That's just wonderful.
Yeah, did I tell you I bought a Fokker?
What?
I bought an Eindecker.
You got to be kidding me. Where? What's
It's
the?
in Oregon right now.
Are you gonna fly it home?
No, it's unstarted basically.
Okay, so you got FW190, now a 9-decker. I was gonna send you.
That's all done. Yep. New fuel filters for the inside are ordered, but they're not here yet. They'll be here like midweek. But those will get swapped as soon as that's done.
Okay. No evidence of really leaking over all that time, right?
No.
Just have some old fuel in it. How much old fuel you got in there? I think?
Probably 3 gallons in each wing, and I put 8 gallons of low lead in it with decoolant.
With the scavenger in it?
Yeah. Plus I put the before I flew it over here from Boulder, I put in the stabilizer as well.
Okay. What gauges did, I mean, you had to do like oil pressure.
I had to swap the oil pressure gauge. That's all done.
Yeah.
I swapped the Hobbs pressure switch. That's
Okay.
in and working. Those are confirmed working.
And those are both working. Packs working good.
Packs working
Not jumping or anything. Yeah.
Yeah, everything, everything's lubed. All the joints. I checked all the bolts and everything. Everything's got pins.
How's your ELT?
ELT needs batteries.
Okay. So you're not
Super old.
One of the guys that runs the Arkansas event, he's got a CB.
Collection whenever he gets old enough.
Oh my gosh, I don't think he has any kids.
Nope.
Spending all of daddy's money.
Oil and gas stuff, right?
Yep. I'm just jealous.
Still burn holes in the runway. Are you excited?
I'm scared. Although not as scared as when I flew this from Boulder while it was with the bad engine.
Yeah, that had to be worse.
Well, what I did is I just immediately climbed, because it does climb really well. I climbed up super high in the pattern and then just went in the glider box and climbed to like 12. And then that way I knew I could make Erie on glide.
Smart.
You should video yourself jumping out of it and put it on YouTube.
Yeah,
I
the
do
Jacobs jump.
With someone piloting it, and I don't want to put it on YouTube because it's illegal to jump out of it. Alright, wing pin is in. Still need to clean this too.
Bugs add character.
Serious looking tires on this.
So what, it's been 2 years since you've flown it? 2.5 years?
Yeah. 2.5 almost. Well, like I said, there was that one not legal flight I did.
It'll come back like a bicycle.
Not legal is not the best.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. I like that.
It's like Flintstones. It's not rudders. That's how you make it go. I'm also pissed I dented the
Sweet
fucking
bird.
flapper on.
Did you get mad at it or what?
Yeah. No, I was unfolding the wing and there's a lot going on that you have to line up when you're folding it back. And I missed.
Flying right now.
Huh?
The airplane.
Oh, that's that. I forget what it is, but it's that Italian aerobatic thing. When we came over here the first time, when you showed me the.
Oh boy.
That is a weird system, but cool at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, that's normal.
The what?
Your ailerons,
Yeah.
they're all about there.
Yeah, there's almost no drag. Like full flaps. I'm still coming in a slip if I want to get actually slow.
That's insane.
Yeah, like a nose high slip.
So it passed the annual, that's good.
You're in pretty good shape.
Huh?
I was saying it passed the annual, so that's good. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Got your registration and airworthiness, all that good stuff.
Yeah, let me confirm, but I did check it the other day. Yeah, unless you're also a pilot, right?
Unless I'm also a pilot.
Oh, so you can if you're not a pilot, but if
No, I can go with them. But,
Well, I'm current.
yeah, he's right.
Yeah. Not in this airplane, but I'm current. There's no legal in the airplane currency.
No, you're just supposed to do the 3 takeoffs and landings
Yep.
before you take people.
And I did like
After
15
you do something
yesterday.
like a major like this. But you can't take your AMP with you.
What engine does this have?
The guy over here.
912
at,
ULS.
Okay.
Aerosystems. He had his AMP when they died in the airplane. They twin engine Cessna. One engine went
Let me
out.
get her
they
an
tried to
FAA
make it
jacket.
back to the
Yep.
runway and just couldn't make it
That's
straight in.
There's no pass.
Should have landed in the golf course. But, yep. Then there was a Mustang, like the one I got in my hangar, and it. Yeah, they said it was wind shear, but I think he just got all fucked up and flipped over. Just around here, things happen, but yeah. I don't know if his motor got weird
before I go.
on or what. But
Go ahead. Take one of you in front of it. In case I die.
Well, you're gonna have your
You want to
phone,
leave?
that one?
Yeah, you want to leave your phone here?
The phone will survive. It's got a case.
Where are the logbooks?
Huh?
Where are the logbooks?
They're in the car, but you want my car key?
Oh, I don't need the key if I need to get in there.
That's true. Just break the window again.
Certified rock.
Right? Certified rock.
Fuel on. Fuel on.
They're like right in the crossfire of that questionable prop, aren't they?
Huh?
Oh, I'm ahead of it.
but again, yo, clear, yeah.
All right, clear prop.
Yeah, pretty good.
the one part you
Like
need.
those-
Yeah, you just see it like shoot across.
Motor for being a road car.
I know, for how little those cylinders are.
Yeah, road